from a pipeline in Kent, valued at more than £8 million at pumps. Police in Sevenoaks say a gang siphoned off fuel over a 7-month period. In sports, Stuart Pearce's first championship game in charge of Nottingham Forest has ended in victory. His side beat Blackpool 2-0. After 13 years in the Premier League, Fulham begin life in the Championship this hour. They play Ipswich. Their manager is Felix Magath.
I hope it's videoed it.
Not only to work in the Champions League, but was to work in the lower areas. Was searching for the track, which was expanding and has to be in the buildings.
In the Scottish Premiership, Inverness overcame Hamilton 2-0. And England's cricketers are on top on day 3 of the 4th Test with India at Old Trafford. They made 367 for 9 in their first innings and had reduced India to 66 for 6 a short while ago. That's the latest. I'm Victoria Lawrence.
With Maitland BMW and Mini, Grange over Sands. Call to book your MOT on any BMW or Mini.
And that's the turnaround point, just there.
35